Hi guys, welcome back for another exciting episode of KilnTech. Today I'm going to go over unpacking and installing the power vent kit. So in the box you'll get a shutter, and a shutter plate, and the power vent unit. The power vent unit is installed on the same wall as the kiln unit, all inside the kiln, not through the wall, using these 4 flanges. So it will sit up against like that. The shutter and shutter plate will be mounted on the opposite wall in the opposite corner up above, as shown in the pictures. Now this shutter plate, the reason we've started to give it with the power vent is we found we now recommend a lot more airflow than in the past, and the airflow was causing problems for the shutter to open when venting. So this will block the excess air from hitting the shutter and stopping it from opening it. From there, it needs to be wired outside to the control box. On the L53, it will go to 17 and neutral. The L200S and M, it will go to 17 and 3. And on the L200 Pro, it goes to 17A and 17B. That's pretty much it. That's what you need to do. That's all for now on this episode of KilnTech.